Hi everyone and welcome back to another Cactus Minute. In today's episode we are having a look at Lobivia Chilensis. So in frame at the moment, as you can see, absolutely incredible dual bloom on this guy, or a double bloom. Nice soft sort of lilac-y pink colour, and sort of fanned out petals as well. Absolutely beautiful. And there's sort of some white highlights through there as well. The body of the cactus is slightly rounded, almost a little bit conical as well, and it has these incredibly ferocious long spines which are actually quite soft, and they won't sting you. They're more like a very coarse hair. And there's another flower bud actually just down in there if you can see. So a relatively easy cactus to grow. Keeping in mind, however, that Lobivia do actually come from some very arid places, and so there is the chance for rot, although in my experience I've never killed one by overwatering it, and not even come close. They are incredibly adaptive, and in saying that, I would definitely recommend Lobivias to beginners, as well as advanced growers as well. There's so many of them, and so many different color combinations. The Lobivias have some of the most amazing color combinations of flowers you can imagine, and this one here is just it's no exception. It's just absolutely incredible. In terms of the difficulty level for this guy, I'm going to put him around a 4 to a 5, sort of mid-range. If you've grown a couple of cacti in the past, there's absolutely no reason you'd not be able to grow this one successfully. The Lobivia Chilensis, in contrast to a lot of the other ones, flowers much later. So in terms of its age, it needs to be a little bit older in order for it to flower. And also, unlike a lot of the arachnocanthus, this one does not offset nearly as much. There is a little pup down there, which I'm happy for because I'd like another one of these. But with a lot of the arachnocanthus, they'll actually end up completely covered, so the whole body will end up covered in pups, which isn't, in my opinion, very aesthetically pleasing, but still, considering the flowers, it's a reasonable trade-off. The mix that I've got these guys growing in is, again, my sort of standard 80-20 mix, although I suspect you'd be able to grow them in just about anything. I probably would stay away from, you know, a 50-50 mix, just because I'd want to have a little bit more drainage and some more rocks and gravel in there. I've grown these guys in anywhere from a 70-30 all the way up to a 90-10 mix, the higher composition of that being gravel and inorganic matter, successfully across the board. They're very, as I said, very adaptive, very easy to take care of, and absolutely stunning flowers. So this guy again is Lobivia Chilensis, and I would highly recommend obtaining 1, 2, or maybe 3. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye!